Hello, testing audio. Yeah, we are live on Discord for our live day trading session to start the day. So 9:23 a.m., less than 7 minutes for the market to open. We are seeing big gap down on the market. Very nice follow-through continuation. So we already had the morning briefing, 9 a.m. morning briefing. I hope that you saw it. You can review it later if you want, but I've been doing these morning briefings just to help all the traders community and try to navigate this crazy action that we are seeing on this market. And one of the things that I highlighted yesterday was pretty much the lower high that we were seeing on Nasdaq. Okay, so lower highs on Nasdaq versus last week highs, and from lower highs, what we can expect: lower highs, lower lows, and that's exactly what we are seeing: lower lows versus Friday lows. We are right on Nasdaq, we are right at 21-day moving average. That's one of my key levels. Can we break down? Yeah, we can, but in my opinion, you should be trimming some of your gains, especially for example, if you got our puts on IWM. Okay, we got the puts on IWM yesterday, out of the gate, the puts 208 at $1 here. Okay, right now the price is at $201 stock here, so almost $7 in the money. Come on, from 1 to 7, 600% if you are holding. I closed mine above 3, and I feel great because I have huge gains for the day and for the week. But no one can really anticipate what the hell is going to happen next. So I took my 200% plus profits. I'm happy with that. But yeah, great follow-through continuation from 1 to 7 on those puts. What do? You lock the hell out. If you are holding, okay, those puts are for today. If you are holding, you trim your gains, period, okay? Less than 4 minutes for the market to open right now. So you trim your gains. Same thing with Tesla, okay? We got puts on Tesla, puts 1050 when the price was here. Okay, we got those puts 1050 at $2.60. I closed mine above 4. They gone all the way into the close above 7. And this morning the stock trading at 1070. Okay, gapping down $20 from yesterday close. So what you do? You trim profits and wait. Are we going for an oversold bounce and filling these morning gaps all the way on Tesla at 1087? Or are they going to break down below 1070 and go into 1053 and filling the gap at 1026? And it can go all the way into 1K, okay? Yeah, it can. It's possible. But at least you kept your gains if you are swing longing those trades, okay? So that's what I'll be looking. 3 minutes for the market to open, guys. That's exactly what I'll be looking, trying to have some patience, trying to see if the market is able to bounce a bit, if the shorts start covering the position, or if we are going for an ugly gap and go down. Okay, I gave you the levels on the morning briefing, and already gave you a little bit the details that I'll be looking. And we look for clues. Okay, semis have been very weak, Nvidia very weak, AMD very weak. What they are going to do? Shorts are going to start covering the positions, and we print a reversal buy from these morning lows and start filling today gap? Or are they going to continue selling down? Right now, in my opinion, for example, it's very tricky to chase Tesla, Nvidia down. Okay, it's gapping down $10 right now. It's very tricky to chase, but it can go lower. Yeah, 2 minutes for the market to open. It can go lower. Yeah, but the time to short was yesterday, okay, or last week, or even yesterday on the breakdown. Right now it's time to book some of the gains, see if it goes back above 250 to fill the gap at 258. Otherwise below 250, yeah, it can go $10 more down. Yeah, it can go, but we need to see it. Okay, so I'll be looking for clues, looking for possible oversold bounces, because on the gaps, on the gap up, If you are long, you trim gains. On the gap down, if you are short, you trim gains. Okay, you trim and manage the rest. What is going to happen? So that's pretty much what I'll be looking today. Also for the Chinese names, BAB at 108 right now. If it goes to fill the gap at 105, JP Morgan financials have been very weak. What are we going to see some bounces on the way or not? 1 minute for the market to open. Snap is going to break roadblocks. Is going to break 47 going into 45 or not? Microsoft gapping down. Are they going to hold the gap on Microsoft and start filling the gap higher all the way into 310 or not? Okay, that's what I'll be looking. I cannot predict the future. I trade price, so I'll be looking in the first couple of seconds and minutes to see if we have some clues if they buy the dip or not. 30 seconds for the market to open, entering trading mode. 20 seconds for market to open, guys. 15. 10 seconds. 5. Good luck, guys. So the market opened with a big gap down. If you are short, you should be trimming some of your gains, okay? Looking to trim some of your gains if you are short. Congratulations. IWM, big gap down on IWM from yesterday. Congratulations to all the shorts. Okay, Tesla also gapping down. If you are short, you should be trimming some of your gains, in my opinion. Some bounces on the way. Apple bouncing. Apple bouncing. Apple bouncing. We have some bounces on the way. Apple bouncing. AMD bouncing. Got some calls on AMD trying to bounce. Trying to bounce on AMD, some calls. The gap to fill on AMD at 106. Roadblocks breaking down, guys. Roadblocks breaking down. Got some puts on roadblocks. Got some puts on roadblocks. Baba breaking down. Baba breaking down. Apple bouncing, AMD bouncing. Trimming some on AMD. Trimming some more on AMD. Nice bounce, guys. AMD coming, filling the gap. AMD filling the gap. Nice move. Nice move this morning on AMD. Trimming some more. Nice move on AMD, guys. Keep trimming. Roadblocks breaking down. Trimming some on the roadblocks. Baba has a gap to fill at 105. Baba has a gap to fill. Baba breakdown, guys. Baba breakdown. In my opinion, you can try some swing long short on Baba. Market red pretty much ugly. I sold the rest on AMD. Tesla going down, guys. Great short yesterday on Tesla. Those puts 1050 on Tesla. Those puts 1050 at $70 from 260. Huge. Congratulations, everyone. From $2.60 all the way. Huge trade. And as a gap to fill, Tesla has a gap to fill at 1026. Trimming some more on the roadblocks. Boeing, big gap. Fill the gap at 180.5. IWM, amazing IWM. $8 in the money. Nvidia trying to bounce is tricky. Roadblocks breaking down, guys. Roadblocks breaking down. Roadblocks breaking down. Trimming some on roadblocks. Nice gains on roadblocks. Baba filling the gap. Baba filling the gap. In my opinion, you can swing short on with some puts, okay, some puts for downside on Baba in next couple of weeks. Snap, gap and fade. Nvidia trying to bounce. Nvidia trying to bounce. Nvidia bouncing. Nvidia bouncing. AMD bouncing also. Boeing keeps going down. Apple new lows on the day. Apple made new lows for the week. Next biggest level at 170 on Apple. Microsoft also below. So we have lower lows. Lower lows. Cubes keep fading. So for now, gap and go. Ugly, ugly. Snap going down. Snap going down. Trimming some more on roadblocks. Nice gains on roadblocks, guys. Nice gains on those puts, roadblocks. AMD resumes down, gap and go. $100 can be the next target on AMD. Seeing some more bear flow. So yeah, gamma squeeze work on both directions, so be careful. The cubes also very ugly, gap and go. Roadblocks, new lows on the day. Snap lower. Trimming some more on roadblocks. Nice move on roadblocks, guys. Roadblocks, new lows on the day. Cubes. Big move down. Apple. AMD. Boeing. So yeah, a lot of ugly action. If you are short, you should be trimming Facebook also. You should be trimming some of your gains. Adjust the stops to cap your gains on the rest and keep riding. But we are getting a little bit extended for the downside, so watch out. LYFT bouncing. LYFT bouncing. Got some calls on LYFT. Got some calls on LYFT. LYFT bouncing. Got some calls on LYFT. Apple giving a little bit more room, trying to see. Waiting to see if we are going to have a short-term low or not on the market. So right now we are short on roadblocks with some nice puts out of the gate early in the morning, and I got some LYFT calls. Some speculation around LYFT this morning. Trimming some more on roadblocks. Nice short on roadblocks, guys. Nice short. LYFT. Roadblocks, new lows on the day. Breaking down. Roadblocks breaking down. Great short, guys. Great short on roadblocks. This roadblocks falling fast. Roadblocks falling fast now. Roadblocks, great short, guys, on Roadblocks. Okay, giving a little bit more room. Trim some more on lift, on Roadblocks. Well done on Roadblocks, guys. Roadblocks, nice short. Great short on Roadblocks. Let's see where it's going. $45 is a key level. Holding lift. Holding lift. I sold the rest on Roadblocks. Well done, guys. Great short. Lift bouncing. Lift bouncing. Lift has a gap to fill at 37. AMD trying to bounce now. Apple still weak. Apple still weak. Big breakdown. Volatility fading. Volatility fading a bit, guys. So if you are short, you should be trimming some of your gains. So we start the day with a short on Roadblocks, very nice short on Roadblocks. I lock my gains, okay, very nice gains on Roadblocks. And then I saw some action on lift. We got some calls on lift, still holding and trying to figure out if it's able to bounce or not. Volatility fading. Okay, volatility fading. Volatility fading. Volatility fading, guys. So we can have some short covering rally. Let's see. AMD again trying to bounce. I got back into some AMD calls. I had some more on AMD. AMD bouncing. Volatility fading. AMD trying to bounce. AMD trying to bounce. AMD bouncing. So lift. Trying to have a little bit more patience. I got back into LYFT. Roadblocks, new lows on the day. Congratulations for the shorts. Keeps going, Roadblocks. I had some more on AMD. Roadblocks, big breakdown. Yesterday, puts on Tesla. Deep in the money now. Now at $26, 10 bagger. Congratulations on the shorts on Tesla. I sold AMD. Still looking for a possible oversold bounce, but I took off. Big ugly action. IWM puts. Walmart, some bull flow on Walmart. Got some calls on Walmart. I had some more on Walmart. Roblox, big short, guys. Great short on Roblox, congratulations. AMD trying to bounce. I got back into AMD calls. I have more on Walmart. For now, holding AMD, Walmart, and LYFT. Waiting to see if we are going for an oversold bounce. Baba still did not fill the gap, waiting the gap to fill at 105. LYFT trying to hold $35. AMD trying to hold 102. Boeing also bouncing from the lows. Boeing bouncing from the lows. IWM bouncing. Got some calls on IWM. Some calls on IWM. AMD bouncing. Here we go. AMD bouncing, lift bouncing. Here we go. Come on. Here we go. Come on. That's it, guys. Well done. Well done. Here we go for the bounce. Here we go. Okay, lift bouncing. Lift coming fast now. Here we go. Nice on those lift calls, guys. Well done. Well done. Lift coming. Nice bounce, guys. Trimming some on AMD. Nice. Lift bouncing. Sold Walmart. AMD coming. Holding for now AMD lift calls and also IWM calls. Playing for the bounce. Boeing bouncing. Boeing bouncing. Nice on Boeing, guys. AMD coming. Trimming some more on AMD. Nice bounce on AMD. %20 on AMD. Well done, guys. 25% right now. Boeing bouncing. If you are short, you should be trimming some of your gains, in my opinion. Trimming some more on AMD, 25%. Well done, guys. Trimming some on lift. Lift bouncing from $35. I had on IWM calls. So for now we are long lift calls, IWM calls, AMD calls. Keep trimming your gains. I had some more on LWM. Lift coming. Lift coming. I had some more on LWM calls. Lift coming, guys. Here we go. Come on. Here we go. Lift coming. So we are long AMD, IWM and lift calls for now. Here we go. Lift coming. Here we go, guys. Come on. Lift coming from the lows. Making more than 50% right now. Lift coming. Lift has a gap to fill at $37. Trimming some on AMD, 30% gains. Lift bounce from the lows. Well done, guys. Come on. Trimming some on lift. Well done, guys. Lift coming. IWM coming. AMD coming. That's it, guys. Come on. Trimming some on IWM calls. Here we go. Nice bounce, guys. Nice bounce. Come on. Come on. Boeing, nice bounce also. Nice bounce from the lows. Gap fills at 182.5. Nice bounce on Boeing. Boeing going. IWM coming. Trimming some more on AMD. %30 gains on AMD. Walmart going. Walmart going. Maybe sold a bit too soon, Walmart, but it happens. Boeing, nice bounce. LYFT going. So we start the day as summary. We almost with 1 hour, almost. We start the day with some puts on roadblocks. Those worked very well. Congratulations for all the shorts. Then we start buying some AMD calls, some LYFT calls, and some IWM calls. LYFT going as we speak. AMD already booked 30% profits on those. LYFT right now making more than 60%, and IWM actually also locked some for more than 20% gains, riding the rest as we speak and waiting for the next move. Trim some more on LYFT. With some patience, waiting to see some price discovery right now. Trying to have some patience. Baba still needs to fill the gap at 105. Baba is broken, so Walmart some fading now. LYFT coming. Here we go on LYFT. Come on, guys. Push. LYFT coming. LYFT coming. Here we go. Come on, LYFT. Just LYFT. Come on. Here we go. LYFT coming. The gap on LYFT fills at $37. Come on, guys. Come on. Here we go. Let's double LYFT. Let's double, guys. Let's double LYFT. Come on. A little bit more. Push. Come on. So we are long LYFT calls, AMD calls, and IWM calls. So they going nicely right now. They going nicely. Come on. Push on lift. Here we go, almost a double. Almost a double. Trimming some more on IWM. And we doubled. We doubled on lift. We doubled on lift. We doubled on lift. Well done, guys. 40% on AWM, trimming some more. Well done, guys. Nice trading. Nice trading. Nice trading. Well done. Come on. Lots of bullish options activity on lift. Buying, going, filling the gap, 182.5. Once again, if you are short, you should be trimming some of your gains. So as we trim profits on the way, okay, don't forget that we are not still out of the woods. We are just playing an oversold bounce, okay? So you manage your risk very, very wisely. We scalping an oversold bounce, guys. I'm not calling the bottom. No one really knows if the bottom is in or not. Just playing the oversold bounce. Also, do not forget that we are going to have the Fed minutes at 2 p.m. so anything can happen. But for now, very, very happy with the gains. Trying to have a little bit more patience. We are with AMD calls, already booked 30% gains there. We are with IWM calls, already booked also some gains there. And lift with doubled lift calls. We double the money. Looking for some more possible upside. We have the gap to fill on lift at $37. Lots of bullish options activity there on lift. No clue if news or rumors or something like that. Just trading price. IWM trying to bounce. IWM has a gap to fill at 202.5 if extends. $202.5. Lift going. Here we go on lift. Here we go on lift. Here we go on lift. Come on, guys. Here we go. More than 100% as we speak right now on lift. We got calls on LYFT, we got the calls showing you. We got the calls 36 at 40 cents, okay? The low of the day 38 cents. Mine at 40 cents, right now at 83 cents as we speak. LYFT coming. Here we go. Come on, guys. Home run. Let's do it. Let's do it. Bring it on, guys. Trimming some more on LYFT. Nice gains. 86 cents right now as we speak. IWM also. Giving it a little bit more room. Let's see if it bounced from 199. Coming. Here we go on IWM. Don't forget that yesterday we played the short on IWM all the way from here, from 209. And right now we got into IWM calls, playing for the bounce, working nicely. So you trim your gains on the way, okay? Trimming some more on IWM, 50% gains on IWM. Well done, guys. So basically we doubled the money on LYFT calls going, and we making 50% on IWM calls. We got the IWM calls 200. Let me try to push here the chart for you. The calls 200. We bought the calls at 70 cents, my average at 72. Right now they are at $1.08. So congratulations, everyone. AMD trying to have a little bit more patience. IWM coming. IWM coming. Here we go. Come on, guys. Push. LYFT coming. Nice bounce on LYFT. Well done, guys. And IWM. Here we go. Beautiful, guys. So we played shorts yesterday on IWM. We caught the top. And today on IWM we played long and we playing nicely the bounce. Well done, guys. Keep it going. Go. IWM coming. Here we go. Come on. Just a little bit more. Here we go. LYFT is lifting. Nice one, guys. LYFT going nicely as we speak. I trim some more on IWM. AMD is still a pain, but trying to hold right now. We had some beautiful trades. We had the roadblocks short early in the morning. We locked the gains. We flipped to LYFT calls. LYFT more than doubled, making 120% gains as we speak right now. 120% gains. Let's push, guys. Let's push. We flip into IWM calls going. So we played the short yesterday on IWM with puts 208, and we coming all the way into below $200. And today we flip into long IWM calls, playing for the balance, making 65% profits as we speak right now. Trimming some more on IWM. Trimming some more on LYFT. Nice gains. LYFT. Big reversal. Gap fills on LYFT at 307. Lots of bull options activity there. Lots of bullish options activity on LYFT. I'm taking gains little by little. 125% gains. Let's put back into the chart on those contracts. We got calls on LYFT. It's timestamped, you saw it live, it's recorded, so you can review it later. We got calls at 40 cents on LYFT. They are right now at 91 cents as we speak. So yeah, great runner. 130% gains as we speak right now. Congratulations, everyone. We got long AMD calls. Those are making 30% gains right now. We got calls 105, and we got IWM calls that are making right now. We got calls 200 and are making very nice gains. Well done, guys. I trimmed some more on AMD. LYFT, lifting and leaving the building. Great run on LYFT. Here we go. Here we go on LYFT. Here we go on LYFT. Trimming some more at $1. $1, guys. We bought those calls at 40 cents. We got those calls at 40 cents. They are right now at $1. You are seeing this live. This is being recorded. Well done. IWM calls going. Here we go. Come on, push. IWM gap fills at 202.5. I told you before the market open. I told you the levels that I would be looking. I said on IWM 199, $200. We bounced from 198.89, and I flip into long IWM calls. They are making, as we speak, 65% gains. Then we saw some bullish options activity on LYFT. We have on the pullback, we had to calls 36 at 40 cents. I trimmed some at $1, and we also flip into AMD calls at $1. Okay, and the calls 105. Okay, calls 105 on AMD, calls 105. Let's put here the chart for you. Calls 105 at $1, the low at 95 we got at $1, and they are right now at 133, so more than 30% gains as we speak. Now we want to see if LYFT is able to fill the gap all the way into $37. IWM coming. IWM coming. Here we go. Come on, push. So our calls 200 on AWM are right now in the money. Well done, guys. Well done. Here we go. Here we go. AMD coming. AMD coming, AMD bouncing. Trimming some on AMD, 40% gains. 40% gains on AMD. Well done. Well done. So basically we are long IWM calls, making right now on those IWM, trimming some more at 80%. 80% gains on IWM. We are making 40% on AMD as we speak. You are seeing the chart now on AMD and going. Here we go. Gap fills at 106. And we are long LYFT calls that are making right now as we speak 145% gains. Just beautiful. And AMD going. Here we go. Come on, guys. Bring it on. Bring it on. Here we go. Looking to trim some more for 50% gains. Here we go. We are coming, guys. We are coming. Come on. Push just a little bit more. Let's double. Let's double, guys. IWM, AMD, with LYFT, we already doubled. Let's double the rest. Come on. Come on. Just a little bit more patience. AMD. AMD, a little bit more patience. IWM coming. Nice mover, guys. Nice movers. So we are volatility fading. Some bottom tails here. Some bottom tails. If you are short, it's wise to trim gains. Here we go. Come on. Bring it on, guys. IWM coming. Let's double IWM. Come on. We doubled the IWM coming. Here we go. Come on. Just a little bit more. You can do it. You can do it. Just some more. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, guys. Push just a little bit higher. %85% as we speak on IWM. 140% profits on LYFT, and AMD 40% gains. Trying to be patient here. Trying to be patient, not easy. So we have Apple bouncing from the 8-day moving average. 21, sorry. LYFT looking to fill the gap, $37. Let's see. We have AMD bouncing from $102. Trying to be a little bit more patient, but trying to have a little bit more patience. LYFT holding for now. LYFT holding. Very bullish options activity on LYFT, guys. LYFT coming. Here we go. Here we go, LYFT. LYFT coming. Here we go. Come on. LYFT, new highs on the day. Here we go. Push. Here we go. New highs on the day on LYFT. 170% gains as we speak, guys. That's big. AMD coming. Here we go on AMD. Come on, guys. Let's look for those 50% gains. Come on, push. Some more. Come on. Okay, I sold IWM. Maybe too soon, but I booked the gains. AMD, LYFT going. LYFT going. LYFT going, guys. Come on. LYFT going. Here we go. Also sold AMD, maybe a bit too soon, but I took the gains. Now we are holding LYFT. Yeah, great moves today. Great moves today. Congratulations, everyone. Congratulations. So we played, as summary, we played roadblocks puts early in the morning, get in, got my profits, got back into the cash. Then we flip into LYFT calls that are making right now as we speak 170% gains as we speak. We flip into AMD calls, I book my gains, 40% gains. They are making right now 45% gains, so congratulations. And we flip into IWM calls also. I book my gains maybe a little bit too soon, but I don't regret it, it's fading a bit now. So I book the gains on this oversold bounce. So congratulations, everyone. I sold LYFT. Great run, guys. Well done, guys. And I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. So yeah, I'm pretty much done. So 11 a.m. So 1 hour and 30 minutes, and how we played today on the action this morning. So basically, we got some puts. Let's review the day here for you. So 1 hour and 30 minutes of trading. Okay, out of the gate, I got some AMD calls. Those did not work, and I closed. Okay, then we flip into some roadblocks puts. Okay, roadblocks puts 47. Okay, puts 47. Let's put here the chart. Puts 47. Let's put here the intraday so you can see it. Okay, 1 minute. We got early in the morning at $1.30, okay, around here at $1.30, and we took it all the way above $2, okay. It hit the high of the day 267, So more than double. Congratulations if you held. I didn't. So I closed at $2 from $1.30. I closed mine at $2 average. So I was very happy. Then we got some LYFT calls. Okay, LYFT. Let's put. We got the LYFT calls 36. It did not work at the first, and I closed. And then I got back into LYFT. I got LYFT calls at my average at 40 cents. Okay, it was around 10 a.m. 10 a.m. It was here. Okay, it was here at 40 cents. I was loading on calls. Okay, at 40 cents, and I closed the last one at $1.09. Okay. He hit the high of the day at 110, and I closed mine at $1.09. Then we flip into IWM calls, okay, playing for the bounce. Don't forget that we coming from yesterday, puts 208 that got $9 in the money, okay, so congratulations everyone on those puts, big bagger. And I flip into IWM calls. We got the calls. Okay, we got the calls. Let me see. We got the calls 200 at my average at 72 cents. Okay, at 72 cents around 10.20. Okay, around here, 72 cents here on this low, and I closed the IWM. The IWM I closed all the way at 120. Okay, I closed at 120, it hit even higher. Okay, it gone all the way into 135. I closed mine at 120. And we got also AMD calls. Okay, the AMD calls, we got calls 105. Okay, calls 105. I got those calls AMD at, let me try to review. Okay, at $1. Okay, at $1 around 10. Okay, around here I had calls at $1 and I closed for 40% gains, and that they are right now at 141. So congratulations everyone. So yeah, pretty much it. 1 hour and 30 minutes of trading, and we had very nice movers. I hope that you enjoyed. And I'm calling now for. We also got some Walmart. I was about to forget Walmart. I closed Walmart, but those calls keep going. Okay, so congratulations if you held the position. We got Walmart calls all the way into 35 cents. The calls 155. Okay, the calls 155. Let's put here the chart. Calls 155. We got at 35 cents. And right now they are going at 48 as we speak. So congratulations if you are holding, and Walmart pushing into new highs on the day. Okay. Congratulations. Congratulations to the longs right now at 49 cents, 50 cents. From 35 on those calls all the way into the 50 cents. So congratulations. I closed mine way too soon, but hey, I'm very happy. LYFT made more than 175% gains on AMD, 40%, on IWM 80%, and yeah, I'm pretty much done calling and finishing the live session. Okay, for now. I'll be scanning now and sharing what I see on Discord. If I see anything new, I will let you know. But I'm pretty much back into the cash, waiting and looking for new setups. Okay, so stay safe, manage your risk wisely. Don't forget that we have the Fed minutes at 2 p.m. We played very well. Now it's time to protect your gains. We are not out of the woods. We just played the oversold bounce. No clue if the bottom and the lows are in or not. Just playing here the oversold bounce that worked very well. I said that we were getting a bit extended for the downside, so when we are too much on one side, we usually go into the other side. That's why I have on AMD calls, IWM calls, also Walmart going as we speak into new highs of the day, so congratulations to the longs. And we also bought the dip on LYFT, very nice, and got the cash flow, got back into the cash, and very happy with that. Time to go, guys. Wish you all a great end of the day. Stay safe. See you all later. Bye bye.